look at the beautiful city in Louisiana before the Hurricane Ida. So now here are the pictures. Now we come to the tragedy of Hurricane Ida hitting Louisiana and other states. What's up, y'all? Today I'm showing you how it looks in my area. This is remnants of Hurricane Ida that destroyed Louisiana. And here it is. It's getting very windy and it's getting very stormy. That's the garden I've been updating. Here's the area, backyard. It got lighter, but it's dark over there still. I can't go out there because it's wet, and lemon is soaked. It's good for it. This broke from tornado last night. It didn't actually break. It actually just got bent because of the storm we had last night. Overnight at 3 in the morning, this is bent. I gotta fix that at some point. Other than that, that's pretty much it. And here's the leaves falling off a tree. It's close to fall, that's why. And here it is. A tree broke back there. A huge one.